love collecting canning jars as much as I do?
Here's a fun fact. Canning did not start in the kitchen. It began because soldiers needed food. Canning began with Napoleon Bonaparte and his French army in the early 1800s. His problem was his soldiers were starving. Food spoiled fast, and his army couldn't travel far without losing strength and needing food. Their food often rotted before it could be consumed. His soldiers were dying from starvation, and he desperately needed a solution. Napoleon offered a cash prize of 12,000 francs, which was the equivalent of tens of thousands of dollars today. Basically, it was a life-changing prize just to figure out how to preserve food. And that was serious money back then. A French candy maker named Nicolas Appert figured out that if you boiled food in glass jars and sealed them with corks and wax, it would last for months. He didn't know why it worked because germs were not fully understood yet. He just knew that it worked. And because of this, armies could travel further, soldiers stayed healthier, and food was not rotting within just a couple of days. Food preservation became a military advantage. Now, early canning did have its problems. Food still spoiled sometimes, and sometimes jars exploded or broke because the battlefield was treacherous, and sometimes people even got sick. Of course, that process has been fine-tuned over the last couple of centuries, and it has become the methods that we use today every time we put food in a jar and seal it. We're using a method that began because soldiers needed to eat. Now, in today's times, we have the ability to process our own foods safely at home, and we can fill our pantries with meals ready to eat for our families. If you're new to canning and want to follow guidelines for safety and longevity, this book can be very helpful to you. It's the book that I use every time I process a jar of food. It's the complete book of home preserving by Ball. It has detailed instructions on how to water bath can, to pressure can, and it has over 400 recipes. If you want to learn canning and you're interested in this book, I'm going to leave a link below. Check it out, and happy canning.